Here we are.
Okay, monitor start. Hey guys, Mitch with Stone Coat Countertops here. We're going to do a quick little demonstration on this Thursday afternoon. We're normally live on YouTube channel every Tuesday at 5 p.m. Pacific time. Instagram, we're happy to be here too. Hey guys, it's Mitch with Stone Coat Countertops. We already mixed up some Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. It has a 45-minute working time, a long pot life, very awesome epoxy to work with. VOC free, doesn't stink. You could work in a nice enclosed environment. And just wait till you see what we do with the three metallic colors here. We got pearl metallic, white metallic, and a little bit of this diamond dust. We're gonna make a 3D metallic countertop for you right now here, live on a Thursday afternoon. We normally, or like I said, go live here on our YouTube channel, but we're going to go ahead and test out today on Facebook as well as Instagram. We want to see how that responds, see if you guys enjoy this show, and what you want to see more of. And in this cup here, I'm going to go a little bit of white and a little bit of diamond dust, because that's going to add something special there. So where's everybody from? Who's watching? Let us know in the comments. This is our pearl metallic from stonecoatcountertops.com. Look what that does in there. It's very pretty.
Got Monty here streaming to Instagram.
Yeah, thanks, Monty. We got Chris also in the cockpit there, running our cameras for us on Facebook. We've never done a double stream before, so it's going to be kind of exciting. Hopefully it works out for everybody. Here's that white and diamond dust. That's going to be a beautiful addition. That diamond dust is so light and fluffy. So you can mix these up, and you want to get them out of the cup fairly quick, but you got a good 10-15 minutes minimum sitting in here in this size mass. And in this cup, we have Stone Coat Countertop white metallic powder. That's also what I have in this bigger cup here. So I'm going to start with a base of white metallic. But this board we're working on, and this material can go over pretty much any current countertop substrate that you have. Old tile, old concrete, old granite, laminate, solid surface. A few steps to prep your current substrate and you are ready for some epoxy. What we got going on here is a board we do in our hands-on training classes, and it is a piece of 1/2 inch MDF, and we've rounded over the edge, and we did 2 coats of paint and primer and one from Behr that you can find at your local Home Depot. Sanding in between coats, and it's ready for epoxy. So depending on your countertop substrate, you can call on in. We're happy to help you, walk you right through what you need to do to get your countertop ready. Give us a call, 541-450-1976. Look at that white. So here we're using an 1/8 inch by 1/8 inch square notch trowel. You can find these in the carpeting glue section at Home Depot, or we have them for sale on our website. $5, save you the trip to Home Depot. My goal here is a thin coat because I'm going to be putting on additional colors. So I don't really want to put a whole coating on. Otherwise, we'll have too much running off. But I might need to pour a little more on. So how many are here for the first time watching one of our live shows? Let us know. And also let us know where you're watching from. We love to see where you guys all come from.
Oh yeah, we got Colorado Springs, Anchorage, Nashville. We got New York. Harris asks if we can make a granite look with this.
You can make a granite look. We have a couple videos on our YouTube channel already that have a couple different examples of the types of looks of granite you can get with our countertop epoxy. So there's a link in the description on our YouTube page, on our Facebook feed, that takes you right to our YouTube channel. So go check out some of those videos. But that's a great suggestion. I'll get some granite videos coming up here on one of these lives in the future. We plan on doing these a little more frequently. They're a lot of fun. Gives you guys a live, unedited look at really how easy working with these epoxy is. There's a little bristle I got in there. Take that right out. The cool part's about to come on up. So normally it's a 3 ounce per square foot application amount when you're doing a countertop. So what I'm doing here, I'm just putting a small amount down because I'm going to drizzle all these others, these 3 different colors on, chop that together, and that's going to create my countertop. So rather than have my 1/8 inch coating and have it all self-level off, I just want a little bit of lubrication down. So here we go, coming in with the Stone Coat Countertop Pearl Metallic. And I'm just going to kind of drizzle this in. Getting a little crazy.
Sandy Sanders wants to know, for 36-inch MDF wood rounds, what is the minimum thickness I would want to use if I wanted to mount wall art?
I would say 1/2 inch. It's a great question. 1/2 inch is what I would use. Now here's a little more white, because we're going to chop all these together with that brush, make a real cool marble. And this white, as you'll see as it goes in, it has an extra special sparkle to it. We add a little bit of that diamond dust. Check that out. That'll add a little bit of sparkle, but it doesn't become overwhelming. It's very pretty. This product here is a self-leveling 1-to-1 countertop epoxy that's very heat resistant, up to 475 degrees, easily renewable, user-friendly, DIY-friendly, and tons of fun to play with. Here comes the cool part. Chop it out. We're going to kind of mix up all these colors together and make a marble. This is simply just 3 metallic powder additives for sale on the website, and the Stone Coat Countertop Epoxy. That pearl and white looks so pretty together. And as I'm chopping this, I'm just kind of going random. I'm not doing any pattern. When I want a little more pearl, I'll grab a big blob of pearl, move it somewhere. And I'm gonna kind of leave some unchopped. I'm not gonna thoroughly do it. And that'll give it some extra little cool detail. Whenever you see a bristle, use the top of your brush, get some right out. Pull them out, you're good to go. And there's no rush here, guys. You got 45 minutes to get this how you want it. Ooh, that's looking cool, huh? See that sparkle in there? I got this whole side's empty. I haven't done my edges yet either. I'll come down there in the front in a second.
Gilbert asks, after epoxy's cured and dried, can anything hot sit on it?
Yeah, this epoxy is special for that. It can. You can, it's not recommended to use as a daily practice, but we've tested the material in kitchen applications. You can, it's been heat resistant up to 475 degrees. So that's like hot casserole dish. If you bring her on out and half of it's on your countertop, half of it's on the hot plate, don't worry, it's not going to destroy the epoxy countertop. You'll be just fine. So that is a cool feature of this epoxy. Now you could, you can notice all the air bubbles there. That's from what I didn't do. What I didn't show you on camera is I mixed that with this drill and paddle mix for 2 minutes, and then I poured it into those cups. So that incorporates air, but that comes out very easily with a blowtorch. And where is my torch? Not good. I'll be right back, guys. Luckily, the torch wasn't far. It was over on Chris's desk. Get this bristle. All right, watch this. You want to get a shot of this, Monty. Watch those air bubbles just come right on out. So you're going to want to torch this 3 times in a row. And you can see what I'm doing here. It's almost like you're mowing the grass. You're going to go front to back and overlap that flame. Once you reach the end, you come back to the start, do it all over again. And the torch is a couple inches off the surface of the epoxy. The epoxy is not flammable, so it won't catch fire. Just don't want to keep it in one spot too long. So fire up the torch. Cross the countertop like you're a kid and you're cutting the grass. You don't want to miss any spots. Pops will be upset with you. So take it nice and easy. You're moving the torch fairly quick, but you're not racing across your countertop surface. What this is going to do is release all the air out of that epoxy that you've mixed in there. Boom. And one more time, and we're going to call it good. All right, very fast, beautiful, subtle. Could go in multiple vanities across the country. Cabinet styles, it'll look beautiful. Give us a call anytime for free project support, 541-450-1976. Check us out at stonecoatcountertops.com. And until next time, from Stone Coat Countertops, you got this. Thanks for being here. See you next time. You get tired, bro?
No,
Good job.
too bad.
All right, good work.
91 viewers on that one.
Not too many. Instagram is little, but that'll grow.
Yep.
How many viewers on Facebook?
Let me see.